In the colorful town of Jigglyville, where jelly beans grow on trees and the clouds giggle when tickled, lived a fluffy little llama named Lucy. Lucy was kind, curious, and super-duper loud, but not with her voice, with her hiccups. One sunny morning, Lucy drank her favorite fizzy rainbow soda to fast. Her hiccup was so loud, it launched a butterfly into a loop-de-loop. The birds started beatboxing. Even the carrots in the garden did the worm dance. Sorry! Lucy shouted, trying to hold her breath, but the more she tried to stop, the louder they got. She hiccuped Farmer Fudge's hat clean off and made the cows laugh milk bubbles. So her best friends, Tilly the turtle and Max the monkey, came up with a plan. They gave her peanut butter socks, made her stand upside down while singing the alphabet, and even tried tickling her toes with jelly beans. Just when they were out of ideas, Lucy laughed so hard at Max's banana peel dance that the hiccups POOF disappeared. Everyone cheered, and from that day on, Lucy only drank her rainbow soda very slowly. But every now and then, hiccup. Moral: sometimes your biggest problem can lead to your funniest memories.